Alright, let's look to see what happens when we multiply or divide algebraic expressions, starting with multiplication. Remember that when you're multiplying numbers together, the order doesn't really matter. So if you go 3 times 4 times 2, you can combine these together to get a 12 times 2, which is 24, or you could have chosen to do 3 times 8, which is again 24, or you could do 3 times 2 times 4. You could kind of do the 3 and the 2 first. 6 times 4, which is 24. So you can kind of move them around, put them together however you'd like. As long as you still have the same factors, the end result is going to be the same. So if you have 2x times 3xy, this is all multiplied. What you can do is you can take the 2 times 3, kind of put them together. You can do the x times x and put them together, and you can do the y at the end. So we would say that this is simplified, putting kind of all the constants, multiply those together, and then put all the like variables, just use the exponents to represent multiple copies of that variable. If you had a times 2a, well, the 2 is your constant, and a times a is a squared, so you'd get 2a squared. If you have 4x squared times 3xy, 3 times 4 is 12. X squared times x, well, this is x times x, and then we have a third x here. This is x times x times x. That's x cubed. And we'd have a y. On this one, 2 times 3 is 6. X squared times x is x cubed, just like we saw in that last one. Y times y is y squared, and z is z. And lastly, of course, if there's nothing of importance that happens, you could just say xy.